Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey credit cousins, we are back with some credit card information. Many of you still want these type of videos even though these times are really rough. So I'm just going to give y'all what y'all really want, and that's to talk about more credit. So today's topic is how to make money with your credit cards during a recession. Credit card debt has skyrocketed in the last 6 months due to inflation, job layoffs, the post-pandemic, and so much more. However, many of us have been trying to stay financially responsible despite the high numbers, and many are sitting on high credit card limits since subscribing to me and reaching those limits by watching some of my videos. And now you are probably trying to find ways to make some serious cash with these high limit credit cards. Well, did you know if you have a credit card, you can earn thousands of dollars during this recession? That's right. You could become a lender and charge interest. It's called peer-to-peer lending, and it's actually a relatively new approach to the borrowing and lending experience. This basically cuts out traditional financial institutions like banks, aka the middleman, and the borrowers may be able to access funds quickly, and investors might get a healthy return. So since you are lending money to others, essentially you basically are financing someone else's personal loan, and you get paid back with the interest. One of the biggest reasons people take out personal loans is to refinance credit debt. And as we are in a recession, many have been taking out larges of credit debt, and they're looking to find ways to refinance this debt. If you become a lender on a peer-to-peer lending website, one that is very popular that I will mention, I'm not sponsored, but it is called lendingclub.com. You can give money to people who are looking to pay off credit card bills and then personally reap the rewards of their interest payments. Just like how a bank charges interest on your credit card. This is great for anybody who is sitting on a high limit credit card with, I would say, a 0% interest rate for 1 year or so, or have a high business credit card limit. This could be something that could be worth your while if you have the extra money on your credit card and you don't use that limit at the moment, and you are willing to get repaid for that credit card limit from the high interest over the course of months that could earn you some serious cash. Some investors in the peer-to-peer loan business have boosted returns to double digits, such as a 10 to 12% double digit return in 1 year. For example, some borrowers may be able to find a personal loan where they may have been denied by other lenders, and peer-to-peer lending platforms may be a good alternative to payday loans or credit cards from some people. So all you have to do is create an account on a P2P lending platform of your choice. Then you review loan options that they do offer. You also may be able to set up auto investing. Once you are able to set up your loan, then you should start seeing traction from borrowers that are being interested in borrowing from you. And then you start to keep tabs on your earnings in your online account, and you just start ching-chinging if someone decides to borrow from you. Also, even though that this sounds too good to be true, there are always some down risks, and I wouldn't be designing Soapbox without telling you the downsides as well. So peer-to-peer lending is very attractive, and it is an easy investment to do because you have the opportunity to earn on your investment without the involvement of a bank. But be aware, if you do lend money through a P2P platform and the borrower stops paying, the loan may go into default and you may not get paid back. The difference between a loan through a P2P and a loan through a bank is that your P2P investment isn't FDIC insured. So make sure you are equipped for those type of scenarios, and make sure to vet your borrowers and make sure your loan options are good enough for your borrowers so they won't default. However, going through an online platform requires the borrowers to have a minimum credit score, and it's usually at least 600 to the mid 600s. And more typically in the mid 600s, that's where you want to kind of say yes to a borrower if they do want to borrow money. They also don't normally let people who have recent bankruptcies, judgments, or tax liens take out loans either. Make sure to like this video for a part 2 if you want to learn more about peer-to-peer lending opportunities that you could do without an online platform. There are many ways to earn with a credit card with the same type of transaction. Also, let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.